Namaste children. This video is for class 7, subject computer, chapter 7, topic introduction to HTML. Children, I welcome you all for today's computer class. In this video, let me give the practical demonstration regarding how to create a web page.
Now let us see about the basic structure of HTML. Children, in order to design a web page, in order to build a web page, you require 4 main tags. They are HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag. So HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag are also the examples of container tag because it has starting tag as well as ending tag. We can also call the starting tag as a opening tag. We can also call the ending tag as a closing tag, which is preceded by the /. An HTML document has 2 main parts, that is head part and the body part. And every HTML document should begin and end with HTML tag. What is the use of this HTML tag? It tells the browser the following document is the HTML file. What is the use of head tag? It is for identification why this page is being created. It includes the title tag. Say for example, if you are designing the web page for India, you can give the title as India. So the title will be displayed at the top of the browser on the title tag. And you can also end this head tag preceded by the /. And here comes the main part, that is body part. So inside this body part, you can give your main content such as paragraph, text, table, image. So with the help of the tags, with the help of the attributes, you can decide how the content should be. Now let us see about attributes. Attributes are the special word that can be given inside the tag. So it controls the behavior of the tag. It tells the browser how the content should be displayed in the web page. See for example, even in the Word document also, we used to format the content. We used to align the content towards left, right, center, isn't it? The same thing we can also do in HTML. So attributes have 2 main parts, that is attribute name and attribute value. Now let us see some examples, children. This is the P tag. P tag represents the paragraph. So it identifies the block of the paragraph text. If you are giving a paragraph, you can give this P tag. Now, I would like to align this word India towards right. So here, align is the attribute name and right is the attribute value. If you want to align towards left, you can give left. If you want to align towards center, you can give center. So attributes have 2 main parts, that is attribute name and attribute value. Now see this example, children. I would like to display this word India in green color. So here, this is the attribute name and green is the attribute value. So attributes have 2 main parts, that is attribute name and attribute value.
Children, in order to create a HTML document, you require a text editor. You can use Notepad as the text editor. Either you can use Notepad or Notepad++, but I prefer Notepad, children. And in order to see your output, in order to see the web page, you can use any of the web browser such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera. So my default web browser is Google Chrome, children. Children, in order to create a HTML document, you require a text editor, that is Notepad. Now let us see how to open the Notepad. Go to the search bar and type Notepad. Select the Notepad and give open, children. You can also pin this Notepad in the taskbar so that it will be easy for you. Now could you able to see this Notepad window, children? Children, now let us see how to create a HTML document. As I said earlier, every HTML document should begin and end with HTML tag. You should give this inside the angular bracket, greater than and lesser than symbol. Since HTML tag is a container tag, you have to give the ending tag. It should be preceded by the /. What is the use of this HTML tag, children? It tells the browser the following document is an HTML file. Now give head tag. So what is the use of head tag? It is for identifying why this page is being created. Followed by the title tag. So inside the head tag you have to give the title tag. So what is the use of title tag, children? The title will be displayed at the top of the web browser on the title tab. Say for example, now I am going to create a web page for India. So let me give the title as My India. Since title tag is a container tag, you have to give the ending tag, closing tag, preceded by the /. Now we have to close this head tag because it is a container tag. /head. Now here comes the main part of the HTML document, that is the body part. Since body tag is the container tag, you have to give the ending tag. We can also call the ending tag as a closing tag, children. So inside this body part, you can give the main content. You can give your paragraph, text, link, table. So you can decide how your web page should be. For example, I am just giving, I am proud to be an Indian. To be an Indian. Now, shall we save this document, children? In order to save this document, what you have to do? Go to File menu and select Save. Save the file in the desired location. For example, I am just giving mypage.html. Children, you can give the file extension as .html or .htm. I am just giving .html as the file extension. Now click on Save button. Shall we see the output, children? Go to the desired location where you have saved. I have saved on the desktop. So could you able to see here, children? My default web browser is Google Chrome. That's why it is showing like this. Now double click this. Now whatever you have given inside the body part, that will be displayed in your web page. Children, could you able to see this title here? So whatever the title you are giving, it will be displayed at the top of the web browser on the title tab. And whatever you have given inside the body part, that will be displayed in your web page. So like this, you can create a simple web page, children. Children, whenever we are creating any document, we used to give the main headings as well as the subheading, isn't it? So main heading will be in the larger size and subheading will be in the smaller size. Same thing you can also do in the HTML document, children, with the help of HN tag. HN. So in the place of N, you can give the numbers ranging from 1 to 6. So H1 is the largest level of heading and H6 is the smallest level of heading. Now shall we see, children, how to create the different levels of heading? So the first tag should be HTML tag. So every HTML tag should begin and end with HTML tag. Since HTML is a container tag, you should give the ending tag. Now head tag, followed by the title tag. So whatever the title you are giving, it will be displayed on the top of the web browser. Just give the title as My Web Page. Since title tag is a container tag, you should give the ending tag. We can also call this ending tag as a closing tag. Now we have to close this head tag. Now here comes the main part, that is body tag. B-O-D-Y, body. Since body tag is a container tag, you have to give the ending tag, that is closing tag, preceded by the /. Now inside this body part, you can give the paragraph, text, link or table. Now we are going to create the different levels of headings. So as I said earlier, you can make use of the HN tag, that is in the place of N you can give the numbers ranging from 1 to 6. So H1, I'm just typing my name Vidya, give the closing tag for H1 / H1. Now we can give the next level of headings, that is H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Just I'm copying and pasting, children, so that it will be easy for me. Now in the place of 1, you can change it as 2. Again, this is the third level of heading, 3. And this is the fourth level of heading, 4. Now fifth level of heading, 5. Now this is the sixth level of heading, 6. Children, here H1 is the first level of heading. So it is the largest heading tag, children. And H6 is the lowest level of heading. It will be displayed in a smaller size. Now shall we save this document, children? Go to File menu and give Save. Save the file in the desired location. Heading, give the file name as heading.html. Click on Save button. Shall we see the output, children? Go to the desired location where you have saved. I have saved on the desktop. Now double click this. Now could you able to see the different levels of heading, children? So here my name is displayed in the first level of heading. Again you can see, compare this size, children. Now it is the second level of heading, and this is the third level, fourth level, fifth level, and see the sixth level. It is the smallest size, children. It is the smallest heading tag. It gives the lowest level of heading. So like this, using HN tag, you can create different levels of headings. Children, now my web page is in black and white color. Now I would like to give the background color to my web page. In order to give the background color, what you have to do? Go to the notepad. And in the body tag, you just give the attribute as BG color, body BG color. And one thing you should keep in your mind, children, COLOR. You have to type COLOR. Don't type COLOUR. So body BG color equal to, my favorite color is pink. So I am giving pink. You can give your favorite color, children. Children, here BG color is the attribute and pink is the attribute value. So what is the use of attribute, children? It tells the browser how the web page should be, how the content should be displayed. So now I want my web page should be displayed in the pink color. That's why I am giving pink. So the attribute value should be enclosed within the double quotation. So BG color is the attribute name and pink is the attribute value. Now shall we see the output, children? Save this. Save your changes, children. Whatever you are doing, you have to save your changes. Now go to the desired location where you have saved. Now see this, children. My web page is displayed in the pink color. So like this, you can give the colorful background with the help of BG color. Body BG color is equal to. You can give your favorite color. Children, now Instead of giving a color background, I would like to give picture as the background. And not to give picture as the background, what you have to do is you have to give one attribute, that is background, body background. Here background is the attribute name, children. Background equal to, give double quotations, because you have to give the attribute value inside this double quotations, isn't it? So here background is the attribute name, and inside this double quotations you have to copy and paste the path of the picture. In order to copy and paste the path of the picture, what you have to do? Right click this picture, go to properties. Now here, could you able to see the location, children? It shows the path of the picture. Select this and copy this path. In order to copy, you can give Ctrl C. Now paste the path, children. In order to paste, you can give Ctrl V. Now give slash. Here you have to give the pic name, that is file name. Select the picture, right click and go to properties. Now what is the file name? Baby.jpg. .jpg is the image file format, children. Copy this. In order to copy, what you have to give? Ctrl C. Go to the notepad and just give Ctrl V. Now this is the value of the attribute, children. This is the attribute value. It should be pasted inside this double quotations. Now this background is the attribute. It tells the browser how the content should be displayed. Now save this file, children. Save the file in the desired location. Now I am just saving in the desktop. Picture.html. .html is the file format. Now shall we see the output, children? Select this. Now you can see the picture as the background, children. It is buffering. Now you can see my beautiful web page. See this, baby, it is looking so beautiful, isn't it? So like this, you can give picture as the background, children. Children, here is an activity for you. Create a web page to display the sentence "I am proud to be an Indian." Second activity, create a web page to display your name in different levels as given below. For this, you can give the heading tags, that is H1 to H6. Third one, create a HTML document to display the web page in yellow color. Your background should be in yellow. Fourth one, create a HTML document to display picture as the background in web page. So complete these activities and take a pic and send to my personal WhatsApp number, children.
Children, this is for the mobile users. In order to create a HTML document, you have to install an app. Go to the Play Store. In the search bar, type HTML editor. Now could you able to see this HTML editor, children? Select this. And now what we have to do is you have to install it. It is getting downloaded. Now it is installing. Give open, children. Now could you able to see this is your HTML editor. So like this you can download from Play Store, children. In order to create a HTML document in your Android mobile, as I said earlier, you have to install HTML editor from Play Store. Now select the app. Could you able to see this screen? Select the editor. By default, it is showing this codings. Select this and erase this, children. Now you can create your own HTML document. Every HTML document should begin and end with HTML tag. Now here I am not going to give head tag, title tag. Directly I am going to give body tag. Body BG color equal to. Children, from your keyboard you can select these special symbols. You can long press and you can make use of it. Double quotations. My favorite color is pink. So I am giving pink. Here BG color is the attribute and pink is the attribute value. Now body tag is the container tag, isn't it? So you have to give the closing tag. Now HTML tag is also container tag. You have to give the closing tag preceded by the /. We can also call this closing tag as a ending tag. Now HTML document is ready. Shall we see the output, children? Click onto this output. Now it is showing in pink color. Now I want to display one sentence, that is, I love my India. Now HTML document is ready. Shall we see the output? Click onto this output. Now I love my India is displayed in this page. Like this you can create HTML document even in your Android mobile, children.
That's all for today's class. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.